Motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty.
So guys, nandito kami sa Walmart. Look very different. Para sa pagpupit ng aming daddy. Then, magpapa-manicure, pedicure din namin. Then, galing na kami sa bank. Then, so somewhere that I take some bag, kasi may re-regaluhan. Punta kami ng Georgia this coming 11. So, just getting ready to go. So, ayan guys, kasi may mga dandruff.
For dandruff?
Yeah.
This one's for dandruff.
Is that conditioner or
No, we only have the shampoo for dandruff.
Okay,
we don't have the conditioner for dandruff. So we have this one. Tea tree. A lot of people like tea tree. That helps. This is the original. And then this is for colored hair.
How much is that?
The big one? I think it's around 40 or 50.
Okay, how about the, where's the other one here?
These are about 40 and these are about 20.
So just same. But that's shampoo, right?
Yes, this is shampoo. And I mean, we have smaller ones.
How much is smaller?
This one is 15. So this one's probably about 25.
Get the 15. It's pretty cheap.
But like you get the small one,
Pretty
you can
cheap, but it's
try it.
small.
And this one has the shampoo and conditioner. Now this one, it's like, it has like a mint feeling, so it makes your scalp feel cool.
Yeah, what is that? This one?
Yes.
So ayan guys, ito na lang para may conditioner. Kasi ayun, like 42, 50, shampoo lang. So ito na lang guys, para ano, try lang kasi mamaya hindi naman pala maganda sa buhok. Lalo, ang mahal pa diba? So ayan.
She said it yesterday.
Tapos na. So ayan guys, palabas na kami. Nauna na yung asawang iniwan kami. So pupunta na kami ng magpapa-manicure pedicure. And then after that, ipasuwi na. You just leave us there.
Oh, she already come out to the truck.
Ganito lang ako sa guys. Walang supply. Diba? Normal. Normal na naman. Ayan. Pinalayas ko na siya. Hi. Kinda what we like. Ang ganda ng ambience dito. Lalaki yung mga ano sa akin. Psst. This one is fun.
You want regular, you want salad?
This is what I...
You want regular, you want salad?
Yeah.
Salad?
Yeah, shellac siya. Diba, lalaki pa yung ano sa akin. Diba, seryoso si Jen?
You want a nail?
Yeah. This too. Here. Hindi pa na. Ano yun? English. Mga taba. Maliit.
Check the slack off in yesterday.
a little. Not short, just little. Anyway, hindi alam ko sa kota. Wala, lalaki yun. Wala siya din. Ayan, it's fine. So, mamaya, hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi ipagsasabay yung init ng taas. Upo sa kamay at sa feet. Lalaki din na maglilinis. You're done? Let's see. Is it dry? Wow! Kamay lang sila guys kasi mahal pag paano pa pala ako, ahit pa pala ako ng kilay ko. $30 din to. So, ayun, kina-grinder na siya guys. Grinder din. Parang nakaalam ng lalaki. You can sit down. Still. No. Too small for massage. Too little. I'm not even using it. Hindi niya nilalakasan. Masyado siyang gentleman. Char. Ang daming tao dito. Place. Dito sa Silsby. Yung mga gustong linis ng upo guys. Here lang sa Silsby. wala nang eyelash guys. Hindi na ako nagpa-eyelash ngayon. Kasi hindi ako makaganto. Hindi mo siya pwedeng imagine, tagal ko din nagpa-eyelash like maybe 10 years na nag-eyelash ako. Hindi nagpapahinga. Ngayon lang ako nagpahinga. So, andito na kami guys. So, thank you. See you on the next video.